Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials ready. Charge the Vivo above 50% and enable USB debugging and developer options so the PC can talk to the device. Once done, install a reputable recovery tool on your computer that supports ADB and live partition scanning. Make sure to use the original USB cable and set the phone to file transfer or ADB mode. This maximizes stability and avoids dropped connections, while the software enumerates internal storage and detects lost files. Now you run a deep scan with ADB mode enabled so the tool can read internal partitions removed by the factory reset. As it scans, preview recoverable photos, messages, contacts, and app databases to confirm integrity. You want high-quality previews before committing. Then mark the files and folders you need and choose a safe output folder on the computer. Never write recovered data back to the Vivo storage until you've verified recovery success to avoid overwriting remaining traces. Recover the selected files to your PC first and verify integrity by opening several samples, photos, messages, and database exports to ensure usable recovery. If items are missing, run file carving or repeat the scan with alternate settings like raw recovery or different sector ranges, because some fragments only appear on multiple passes. Lastly, make sure you do not write recovered data back to the phone until verified. If problems persist, try a different recovery tool or consult a professional to avoid further data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.